got bored and decided to play One Speed Monkey Escape again. My voice is pretty low, but then I just got to perfect silence in this room currently, so this is gonna be fun. Make a video in this room. Yep, that one of the new levels. Yo. Let's go redeem a code. Papa, Rezzy, baby, I'm so nice. Papa, Rezzy. Papa, Rezzy, baby. Papa, Rezzy, this game has a really positive, like, most of the community like the game. Only like a few percent of the community, probably like a rare amount of the community actually hates the game. Probably like a tiny bit of this community hates the game. Like probably a tiny bit of this community hates this game, like 2 people. Hey, brother. Yo, why is he so fast? Brother. Should I pay to win on this game? Pay to win, loser. Don't call me that. Jonathan. Papa, Rezzy. It's really fun to co-op here. Super fun. I'll recommend you to play this game, chat. Yo, monkeys. Whoa! I got freaking jump scared. Papa, Rezzy. Hey, where's the Sharky? Yo, Sharky, chill. You're sexy as shit. You Sharky. Papa, Rezzy. Bombo clap. There's no way I act. Papa, Rezzy. The golden tail is so trash, chat. I'm gonna get to my next tail actually. Wait. What up? Man. What the hell? Oh, shit. 75,000. I made you too flabbergasted, sir. Please shift lock in this game, sir. Shift lock. Shiflog doesn't exist in this game. Why? Papa, papa, baby. Oh my god. Care about quantum treadmill. Bruh. Papa, papa, baby. Yo, Michael. Yo, Michael. Yo, Michael Kyber. Haha.